Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making this deliciously tasty beef curry. The measurements and ingredients list will be in the description box below. So I've sliced up one medium-sized red onion. And I'll dice up one small tomato. And for some heat, I'll wash and slice 3 green chilies. So in a thick bottom saucepan under a high to medium heat, I'll get my oil nice and hot, and in batches I'll brown 750 grams of beef. I don't want to overcrowd the pan, otherwise the beef won't brown, it'll just end up with a lot of liquid in the pot. Once all my beef is nice and brown, I'll add a little bit more oil to the pan, and under a medium heat, I'll add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And then in goes 4 cloves and 2 bay leaves, a black cardamom pod, 1 star anise, and I allow them to cook out and infuse for a couple of minutes before adding the sliced red onions. I let the onions cook down until soft. Once the onions are soft, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger and 1 tablespoon of fresh garlic, and I'll let them cook out for a few minutes. Then I'll go in with the freshly chopped tomato. And I'll go in with 3 tablespoons of tomato passata. I'll go in with a ½ teaspoon of ground turmeric and 2 teaspoons of Garam Masala. And in goes 1 teaspoon of ground coriander and a generous amount of salt and a couple of twists of black pepper. And a ½ teaspoon of chili powder, and then in goes the green chilies from earlier. And in goes the browned beef, juices included. I'll give that a good stir, getting the beef coated in all of the spices and flavours. Stir in enough boiling water to cover the beef. Turn the heat up so it starts to simmer, and then turn the heat down to medium. Cover with a lid and check in between times and add more water if needed. When the sauce is reduced and thickened and the beef is lovely and tender, it's time to take it off the heat. And there it is, delicious, flavoursome, spicy beef curry. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves, and I will see you in the next one.